Hello everyone, thank you so much for purchasing my Affluent Forever EA. This will definitely change your life and change your future. And I just want to thank you guys for believing in me and supporting my company. Like I said, this Forex Robot is highly recommended for Euro USD and GBP USD. Please make sure to backtest the robot on demo accounts, or just put it on demo accounts first before you put it on funded account. Guys, don't rush the success. Do not rush the success. Also, this is not a get rich quick bot. The bot will lose some trades, but if you use proper risk management and take your time, this bot can definitely change your life. So once again, thank you. Few things that I want to highlight. This can only be used on MetaTrader 4 on the PC, so Windows PC, not on Mac. Also, selling my Forex Robot will ban your license. So do not resell the license. I have a system that basically integrates, so each person has their individual license. So please, 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 do not resell. You have lifetime warranty, and any updates or anything like that, you guys will get an update in this group. So do not leave this group as well. So without further ado, let me just jump straight into how you can install the video. So after you download the bots, make sure to put them in a folder where you can see them. So I have mine right here. I have the expert, I have the bot right here, and I have the preset right here. I'll tell you what the preset is later. So the expert. So you need to go to the browser and download MetaTrader 4 on the computer. Once you install it, this is how it's gonna look. You're gonna go to File, go to Open Data folder. Then then you're going to MQL4. Once you click MQM4, you're gonna go to Expert, and then you're going to see these options. Go back to the folder that you downloaded the robot, and you're going to copy it. So Control C to copy, Control V to paste, and you're going to see right here. Then you're going to go back to this area and go to presets. So for presets, let me just remove these. So for presets, you can go ahead and put the one that I have right here. Let me just go back. Presets. So I am gonna put some more presets in the group, but basically you can just use this one and just change one setting. It's only one setting that needs to be changed. So let's go to the scalp X set. Sorry. You're gonna copy it. Then you're gonna go back to the preset folder that you have for the MQL4 and paste it right there. So close both windows, and then when you're done, you're not gonna see it. So you're gonna right click. So you're gonna make sure that you see this navigator window right here. If you don't see it, then you're gonna go to View, and then go to Navigator, and then this should pop up right here. And then underneath, you're gonna see Expert Advisor. Click on this plus, and you should see the Expert Advisor pop up. It's not gonna show up, so you're gonna have to refresh. So refresh by right clicking. So right click and you should see this pop up window, and then hit refresh. Now that it's there, you're gonna see you can just drag it over here, and you're gonna see common. Oh, so before I do that, let me just show you something that you guys definitely have to do. You're gonna have to go to tools, then option, or you can click Control O. And guys, you can always rewatch this video because if I'm moving too fast, no problem. Go to tools, then go to options, and then make sure automatic trading is set up, and this will be right here, Expert Advisor. So it should start with server. Just go straight to Expert Advisor and click allow automatic trading, and click on this one as well. This one will not be selected, so click on this. So these two needs to be selected. You can also select these as well, and then once you're done, click OK. Then you're gonna drag the robot, click and drag the robot on the screen. Make sure, I'm skipping a few steps. Make sure that you're on Euro USD on the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, Euro USD, you're gonna drag the bot from here to the screen, and then you should see allow live trading is active. You can disable alerts because that's pretty annoying. Make sure that it's on long and short, and then these should be double checked. These should be checked, and then input. Input is where it gets fun. So the trend mode. If you want it to be a reversal, if you wanted to trade only reversal, then you can put it on reversal. If you want it to be with the trend, just double click, and then follow the trend. These two can be a big result. And I will also drop another video on that to show you the difference between if it follows the trend versus if it's a reversal. Reversal, it would only just scalp it and it won't be a lot of pips and profit. But if it follows the trend, it will basically just kind of hold out the trade. But yeah, also leave everything else. Money management is okay. If you want, so I normally turn this off, so you can put this to false. Risk percentage is only 1%. So this is pretty important as well. So the risk percentage, remember, my forex fund says you can only risk, I think it's 5% a day. So you can put this to one or up to 4% if you want, or 3%, whichever it is if you want to do. But once it hits that 1% for the day, it stops trading. So that's pretty good. So you can put this to 1, 2, or 2.5, whatever you want to do it. For now, mine is set as 1%, and you can see the results. You will see the results later. The maximum lot size, please reduce this to. Okay, so the fixed lot size. If this is a 10K account, you can put this to 0.10. You can put it to 0.10. The maximum lot size should be 0.30, right? And by the way, you can tweak these settings, guys. Like I said, back test and see whichever works for you. But these are the settings that you can use for the 10K account. Um, Everything else should remain the same. Just double checking. I don't think this is the right one. Hold on. Load. Let me go back to preset. Let me put it to the 100K one. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna give you guys the better one. This one is the better one, where it follows the trend. Money management is good. Um, so this one is 100K. So the lot size is 5. So just change this to whatever lot size you are using depending on the account. I will send the recommended lot size in the group as well, depending on the account size that you purchase. So you can just stick around for that as well. But for now, I'm just gonna put something 0.20. Everything else will remain. So pending. It does pending entry. It does not take entries immediately. It does pending. So if you're not seeing anything moving, that means because it's set pending limits on the pair. So which is pretty good. So this eliminates drawdown. Stop loss is at 25 pips. The hidden stop loss is 25 pips. So that's pretty good. It does trail every 10 pips. It trails. Um, and all of these are traded. All of these are done in the background. News filter. Highly recommend you do this news filter. You can put it to true. So 10 minutes before the news, it will stop trading. And you can set it to high news or low, medium, whichever you want. So it basically knows when to stop trading. If you don't want it, if you want to trade the news, then you can turn this off. And then once you're done, you can click OK, and then everything should be all set. As you can see, EA Impact Scalper. Once you see the smiley face, it is working. If you're not seeing it, that means auto trading is off. Usually, on default, it shows red. Just click on this, and you should see it. Look at the smiley face right here while I click and disable it. As you can see, it's not smiling. Now it's smiling. Not smiling. Now it's smiling. Right? So it's activated. And you can also go to journal and you would see disable, enable, disable. So automatic trading is enabled. Once it's enabled, then everything is all set and you don't have to do anything else. That is pretty much it, guys. You don't have to do anything else. Oh, one last thing, guys. The laptop has to remain on. So if you have a laptop or a PC, the laptop has to stay on Monday to Friday or Sunday to Friday, whichever you choose. So if you only want the bot to trade Tuesday to Thursday, make sure the laptop stays on Tuesday to Thursday. If you want the robot to analyze and whatever from Sunday to Friday, make sure you do that from Sunday to Friday. If you don't want that, you guys, you can actually purchase a VPS for I think it's $30 a month. You can go to the market in MetaTrader 4, and you can basically buy a VPS. Stop. Um, Go to VPS. So as you can see, you can just go to this magnifying glass and type in VPS, and you would see them come up, and you would just see all the VPS that you can basically purchase. I think right here they do it for $30 a month, or you can also go online and type in like VPS for Forex. This is the recommended one that I normally advise. Forex VPS. They're relatively cheap per month. This is also starting for $30, but there are others there as well if you want to basically use their VPS. You can also have like a remote station, all those good stuff. So basically, you would just use a remote desk connection. You get this login information, and you'll be able to log into it. But that's on a different video, guys. But for now, that's all you need to know on how to set up the robot. Once you do that, there's nothing else you need to do, and that's pretty much it for the video. Once again, guys, thank you so much for purchasing my robot. I look forward to see all of the success stories. We appreciate you guys, and have an amazing weekend.